Welcome to Coding Studio Learners. In this video, I tell about how to download the Anaconda for using the browser help. You can able to open the Python programming language like uh, Visual Studio Code or Jupyter Notebook. You can able to open through the Anaconda Navigator. So let's see how to download it. In next video, I tell about how to download the Visual Studio Code also. So let's open it. After the download option, you can show it as a register with the mail, or you can skip the registration. You can able to skip also. So it shows as distribution installers and Anaconda installers. When you click on the download option, then it starts download. Somewhat time to download it. After clicking the open file, it gives the somewhat steps to do it. Then so let's click on the Anaconda Navigator directly. So it takes somewhat time to open it. When you click on the launch of the Jupyter Notebook, it opens here like this. It opens here like this. So when you want to open the Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda prompt, you can able to give as the Jupyter Notebook and enter. It will directly opens to the web browser. Actually, web browser it is opening that. So here this is the Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. So you have to open the new notebook. When you open it, then it shows like this. So let's give that print hello world. So I'm file saving notebook as 1. So it's saved as 1. So I'm running it. It takes some time. So it print as the hello world. So this is about the how to download the Anaconda from the browser and opening the navigator through. You can able to open the Jupyter Notebook through Anaconda Navigator, or else you can able to open through Anaconda prompt also. So this is the way how to download the Anaconda. Thank you for watching.